All right, YouTube, 116 Falconer. Here's an exciting man cooking episode. I'm calling this one Eat Your Lawn. We're going to deep fry dandelion flowers. We're going to do dandelion flowers and fiddleheads. I have a bunch of fiddleheads coming up over here. So we are going to harvest them, deep fry them, and eat them. So I got some Tony Zatarans, whatever, batter, and we're gonna batter them up. We're gonna deep fry them in veggie oil because that's what I have right now. So the granddaughter wants to help, but let me get some stuff harvested. We'll be back. All right, YouTube, so we have our dandelion flowers, our fiddleheads that were picked out from our fiddlehead garden there. We got our Tony Chazarays, whatever it's called, fish fry batter mix. 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and vegetable oil heating up in there to 350. So we're gonna do the fiddleheads first because I think they're gonna take the longest. So we're gonna put them in the egg milk wash, and then put them in the Tony, shake it up, and put them in the oil. Then we'll do the because dandelions we've done before, but just with egg and flour, and they cook up quick and they're freaking good. So we'll get it rocking here and we'll be back in a minute. All right, so our oil's at 350. The light went off. So let's take these fiddleheads for a whirl here. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but one at a time, I guess. Woo! Well, when it comes to the dandelions, so this is supposed to be a Creole batter, so I added no salt or pepper or anything to it. But right now it's not smelling like much of anything. So all right, I'm gonna get the rest of these in, and we'll be back. You son of a pup. You know, screw it. One at a time. It's a nice light batter. We just don't want excess batter. I'm talking to anybody to listen, Holden. All right, oh, there's one more in there. Trying to get away. All right, we'll let that rock for a little bit here. And we'll be back to do the dandelions. All right, YouTube, so the fiddleheads are done. They look like shrimp. They're hot. Now we're gonna do the dandelions. I got them in the egg wash there. So we're gonna egg wash them. Well, egg and milk wash. That Tony, whatever it's called, that it is a nice light batter. I just hope there's some seasoning in it. All right, so we got that. Now we'll get them out. Let them drain a little bit. Throw them into the batter. The old lady gets home, I'll tell her I made shrimp and deep fried mushrooms. Bam. Get the top on there, shake it up. Shake her up like that. All right, now we'll slap her in. These got to go in one at a time. So let me get them cooked up. They only take a couple seconds to cook. I'll be back in a minute. All right, YouTube, so the dandelions are done, fiddleheads are done, and I took the liberty of deep frying. My granddaughter left a cheese stick here, one of them twisty ones, so I deep fried that as well. So let's try the fiddleheads. We're gonna see how they taste done like this. Here we go. They taste pretty much like anything deep fried. This is good, good party food. You could get anybody to eat them, and they would have no idea what they're eating. All right, so now the dandelion. There's a nice one. The dandelions are nice and fluffy. And nobody would ever be able to tell they were eating a freaking dandelion. I think this seasoning might be a little overpowering. Here, watch. See, even Rico likes his veggies. Let's give him a try on one of these fiddleheads. Well, there you go. If you want your dog to eat his veggies, let's try the cheese stick. Tastes like a deep fried cheese stick. It's not bad at all. I'm not really into deep fry that much anymore. I'd rather saute these, which is what I'll do the next time. I'll saute the dandelions and the fiddleheads, because I know I'm gonna have a bunch more popping up. But if you're gonna have a party and you wanna like get people going, there you go. Freaking eat your lawn, bitches. Right, Rico? Say bye. See ya.